Welcome to Emilak Online Tutorial, and before us is this question in physics that says two masses, 40 gram and 60 gram respectively, are attached firmly to the ends of a light meter rule. Now the center of gravity of the system is. Now let us take note of this, that a meter rule is actually 100 centimeter, right? Okay, now take note that it's actually not given, but this is the standard. So a meter rule given as this. Now two masses attached firmly to the ends of, so here we have 40 gram and this end here we have 60 gram. Now the center of gravity, which means okay, so let us say W. Now the question now is, the distance from here is unknown, the distance from here is unknown. So here let us take this as x. Now since the hole from here to here is 100, automatically here will now be 100 minus x. Okay, so from here let us take a moment about W. So as such, now we start by saying, so since we are taking moment from this, we can now see here 60 times this, that will be 60 times 100 minus x. Now will give us 40 times this, 40 times what? X. Alright, you might ask the question that this pivot here is actually at the center. No, it's not actually at the center. That's why they say the center of gravity of the system is. So where will this pivot be located to balance 40 and 60? So I actually just drew this to presume our location. Alright, with that, this times this, here we have 6,000. That's 60 times 100, then minus 60x, then equals to what? 40x. So 6,000 collecting like them. So this one moving over to here, this one becomes positive. So here we have a better 6,000 now equals to 40x plus 60x. So here you have 6,000 equals to 100x. Now dividing both sides by 100. This will cancel this. 1 2 1 2. So x equals to what? 60 centimeter. Alright, so in redrawing this diagram here, we can now say this is 60 gram and this is 40 gram. So our x here now, so here will now be from here to here. This will be 40, sorry, to be 60, and here 100 minus 60 will give us what? 40. Alright, and if you see, if you balance this times this, 2400, balance this times this, 2400. Alright, we love what I've just done. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of every video that I'll be uploading, both in physics, chemistry and mathematics. Thank you and God bless you.